Scaling your online business. Once you've got your online business to a certain level, you will want to scale it up so that you can drive more traffic and make more money. If you are working your online business on your own, then you need to get help from others to scale it. Outsource specific tasks. Once your online business is generating revenue on a regular basis, you can pay others to perform specific tasks for you. Your focus needs to be on marketing, so you can outsource the following: written content creation, video content creation, making regular posts to your website, making regular posts to your social media profiles, optimization of your web pages for SEO, the provision of quality backlinks for SEO, copywriting for your product offer pages and sales videos. Finding good outsources is not always easy, but it is essential to grow your online business. You need the right team to support you as you scale up. There's only so much that you can do on your own, even if you're working on your online business full-time. Analyze and grow. You need to know what is working and what isn't with your online business. Install Google Analytics on your site to see where your visitors are coming from. Use the analytics from social media sites to see which of your posts are the most popular. With your paid advertising, find out what ads perform the best. The idea here is that you use your analytics to do more of what is working and less of what isn't. If you are not measuring how well your promotional activities are working, then you will never scale your online business successfully. Ramp up your content marketing. Use your virtual team to increase the amount of content marketing that you do. This includes new content for your website and posts to your social profiles. Add more videos to your YouTube channel as well. Your analytics will guide you as to what type of content you need to provide. Ramp up your paid advertising. Once you know which of your paid advertising channels are working the best, you can ramp these up by increasing your ad spend and eliminate the channels that are not performing. Be prepared to invest some of your profits in paid advertising that works. In the final video, we will discuss the best practices for a six-figure online business that you need to follow.